Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can check your balance on TikTok. Super simple actually. You're just going to select your profile here and you're going to select the three lines. Then you are going to select settings and privacy, and as you can see under account there is a balance on the thing written. There's like a little bit, but you can see where it is over here, and that's basically where you can find your TikTok balance, like where you can view it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!